Hello there. Welcome back to Grade 10 Economics. This video, I want to look at the question paper uh, of March 2022. So we are going to look at the first question of that question paper, that is our question one. And let's take note of question is for 20 marks and it requires you to spend on average live without code. And obviously, we know that they are called needs. These are those are goods that society cannot live without. So the goods that they can live without are now our ones. So basically, that's what we have. The next question says, all machines and resources that are used to produce land, capital, production, but we know that capital is the most appropriate there. So, which is the process of trade that takes place when goods and services are traded for money is called, you know that this is exchange. So we have exchange B the correct answer, 1.1.4. The situation where the country buys goods and services from other countries is known as imports. We put imports at A. And we know this was then 1.1.5 internal factors that affect the business cycle are referred to as and when they become external, they are now exogenous. So this is what we have. We go to the next part, which is now our meeting with section. We have got economic model as our first term that we have, that is to next the description, that is column B. So we have to go through everything. But we know that an economic model is a set of mathematical equations that describes the theory of economic behavior. So any economic behavior that is represented in the form of mathematical equations, for example, is an economic model. So we try to see according to the responses that we are given. So if we go to D, it's really the simplification of reality that makes this the model, because we are trying to simplify the reality and then make a comprehension of economic processes easier. So basically, we have a D being the most appropriate that we have according to our responses. Then economic efficiency. So economic efficiency, we can describe it as an economic state in which every resource is optimally allocated to save each individual or entity in the best way. So basically, that's what we have in the description of economic efficiency. And we try to see according to the responses that we are given there. So if you go to C, it's saying the chain where businesses make the best use of resources to produce goods and resources, which is the most appropriate one. So we have got scientific method. So try to see in terms of scientific method, according to responses given, but we can describe it as a process of establishing facts through testing and experiments. So if we establish facts through the use of testing and experiments, it's a scientific method. So we try to see according to responses that are given, which one is most appropriate. So I go to G, saying the process whereby economists collect data and information to analyze behavior of certain variables, which is also correct according to the term that we're given. So we are saying this is our G. Then absolute scarcity, we go to our responses to try to see. We see that if you go to F, there is enough product but no resources to buy. So you see that absolute scarcity usually is described from the point of view that resources cannot be renewed. So the resources are the ones that are not available. Since we are saying the resources have been used up and they cannot be renewed, so it becomes absolute scarcity. So we got F as the correct response. Then we've got injections, but A, deposits of money into the circular flow. So this is an addition into the circular flow. So it becomes an injection. So we have A, then our trend line. Trend line, obviously, it shows it's basically shows a general direction that is that should be there. If you go to our other section, you go to B, saying the general direction immediate response that way. So these are the responses that we have in terms of the matching section. So we go to the last part of our question and try to see what we have. Go to 1.3. It says give one term for each of the following descriptions. So obviously we have 1.3.1, which is the social science that studies how scarce resources can be used to satisfy human wants. We know that this social science is called economics. So we are having economics. The value of the best alternative that could have been chosen. Obviously, this is opportunity cost, and this is the cost of the best alternative for gold. The value of the alternative that has been for gold. So we say opportunity cost. The next question, the movement of goods and services in the circular flow. And when we have the movement of goods and services, we saw know that this is the real flow. Remember, we've got the real flow and money flow. So money flow is the movement of cash. And then real flow represents goods and services. So here we've got real flow. And then the type of indicator that change after the economy changes, we know that this is a lagging indicator. So we're just saying lagging indicator. Remember, the one that changed before the economy changes is a leading indicator. So basically, this is what we have. So remember, question is for 20 marks. So this is what you guys are following this video. Let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing the 10 economics. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.